miss you, but your ghost still lingers here in the cracks of space where the skies aren't clear. There's a whisper in the silence calling my name. A world without time, and it's never the same. Your shadow moves, but it doesn't need my light. You're the day that hides behind the endless night. Every clock's hands froze in our secret design. Follow me now to a world without time. No need to tell me, I can see your trace, like a tear that streams down the edge of space. We'll paint galaxies in reckless rhyme, dancing forever in a world without time. The ground beneath becomes an ethereal sea. The waves don't crash, they just move endlessly. Forget what we lost, it dissolves in our climb. Follow heartbeat echoes to this world without time. Each second bends a cage that let us feel, but in our world the moment's what we steal. Don't breathe too deep, the air only holds mine. Stay suspended here in a world without time. No need to tell me, I can see your trace, like a tear that streams down the edge of space. We'll paint galaxies in reckless rhyme, dancing forever in a world without time. No need to tell me, I can see your trace, like a tear that streams down the edge of space. We'll paint galaxies in reckless rhyme, dancing forever in a world without time.